Hi, I'm Abhishek, founder of OpsX. What you're looking at is a live ERP we built for a manufacturing and distribution business. One head office, 5 branches. Before this, the whole company ran on Tally, Excel, and WhatsApp. The owner never had one screen that showed him his own business. This is that screen now. Cash position, income, expenses, net flow, all live in one place. But forget all of that for a second and look at this one card. 46 outstanding dues. Over 10 lakhs flagged automatically. Before this system, that 10 lakhs didn't exist anywhere. It lived in diaries and in people's heads. This one card paid for the entire software. This is where the first leak was. Every customer now has a live account. Watch these red flags go by. 19,000 due, 10,000 due, 4,000 due. Earlier, a customer could keep placing fresh orders while sitting on 3 months of unpaid bills because sales and accounts were two different worlds. Now, the due amount is staring at you before the next order can go out. Nobody has to remember anything. The system remembers for them. Leak number 2. Stock. Their books and their go-down never agreed. Small mismatches across hundreds of items every single month. That's exactly how a business loses lakhs without a single rupee being stolen. Now look at this. Strips. Livestock, 0. Deficit alert. The system caught this today, not in an audit 3 months from now. Every item, recorded stock against livestock across every branch with deficits sorted to the top. If the books say 9 kilos and the floor says 0, the owner knows the same day. Not next quarter. 5 branches means stock and cash are constantly moving between locations. That whole layer used to run on phone calls and trust. Now, every stock transfer is a request. Head office approves it or rejects it. And there's a full trail either way. Cash works the same way. This is the verification desk. When a branch sends money to head office, it sits right here. 2,000, 49,000, 42,000. It stays until someone verifies it and settles it. Cash moving between branches was the darkest corner of this business. Today, nothing moves without a second pair of eyes. And every rupee you see here is mapped back to an order reference. That's the system. Nothing exotic about it, just software built around how this exact business actually runs. 5 branches, credit-heavy sales, stock always on the move. That's precisely why Tally and off-the-shelf ERPs kept missing all of it. They were built for a generic business. This was built for his. If you run a business that looks anything like this, or you advise one, we do a free 30-minute operations audit. We map exactly where your money is leaking and tell you what fixing it takes. Details are below. Thanks for watching.